With inflation, rising living costs, and job insecurity, relying on a single income just doesn't cut it anymore. So, how do you diversify your income without spreading yourself too thin? Let's dive in. First up, Rory Ricord's philosophy: get rich smart, not fast. This isn't about quick fixes, but strategic planning and consistent effort. Rory emphasizes leveraging online platforms like affiliate marketing, creating digital products, blogging, and even YouTube. These platforms allow you to monetize your skills and passions. Next, go to 5v69.com. Whether it's consulting or starting a small business, these can provide valuable additional income streams. And remember, investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets can generate passive income over time. Don't forget about renting assets. Establish a money management strategy, build an emergency fund, reduce debt, and increase savings. We provide support if needed. Financial stress is real, folks. Talk to someone, take inventory of your finances, make a plan, and practice stress reduction techniques like exercise and mindfulness. Education and action are key. Learning how to manage money and exploring different income opportunities empowers you to take control of your financial future. Join communities and learn from others' experiences. So remember Rory Ricord's mantra: get rich, smart, not fast. By diversifying your income and developing strong financial habits, you can build a secure and fulfilling financial future for yourself and your family. Start taking action today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs a little financial inspiration. Catch you in the next one.